Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So just to give you an idea about the look I'm going to be doing today, this is makeup for Miranda Beauty. So if you notice, I don't have a proper intro in this video because I didn't realize that the microphone is unplugged while filming this vlog. So just to make this quick, the product I'm applying is green tea serum from INNISFREE because Mikaela's face, the model is a bit dry to combination, and this will help smoothen the foundation later when we apply. And for her under eye area, I'm applying LANEIGE water bank gel just to give a nice moisture. So if you are following me guys, you know how much I love Korean products, especially those high-end brands, because skincare plays a huge part in my makeup routine. Then I will proceed with the foundation. This one is from MAC, but I made a mistake with this one. I accidentally picked the wrong shade. So my thoughts are all over the place because I'm checking if the camera is in focus. So you know I'm a one-man team. I do all these stuffs from makeup to studio setup, lightings, and don't get surprised if I'm also the videographer. So I'm talking too much. Anyways, if you notice, foundation is lighter than her skin tone. So what I did is I immediately layer a darker shade before the foundation dries up. So it really happens sometimes guys, but instead of wiping the foundation and start from the scratch, I decided to go for a full coverage na lang, but I'm not worried because I will contour later. It will blend with the foundation naman. And for contour, I'm using ANASTASIA Beverly Hills, and I am applying that on her cheek, forehead, and jawline. And to blend that, I'm using a flat blending brush, and you can also use sponge to blend, but that depends on what technique you think really works for you. And to make sure your eyeshadow will last the whole day, I will use a MAC paint pot in the shade of ochre. And then I will start concealing na on the areas I want to brighten, and I'm using Maybelline concealer. And I will blend that using a beauty sponge from NIPPON. Then set ko na ang foundation with Belle mineral powder from BEUATEDERM. So I also love this product because it's very refined, and I will wipe all the excess powder because I'm avoiding the powder to leave a chalky effect sa face to the point na mahirap na siyang i-wipe off. And for eyeshadow naman, I'm going to be using FACED Gingerbread Extra Spicy. I will start with the transition shade in Butterscotch. Then I will use a darker shade in the outer corner. And also sa inner corner of her eyes. And I will start blending that. So if you notice guys, I do fast stroke. This way I get to blend it without harsh lines. And then mag-apply na ako ng shimmer shade on the same Too Faced palette. And for brows, I still prefer to use a powder brush pa din, and this one is from TEVIANT. And I usually spray MAC Fix Plus whenever I use powder brows. And then I will start filling in the gaps, and I won't draw on flick kilay kasi I will use a brow soap later. So this is just to give a little tint lang pag nag-bushy brows ako. Now notice I'm slightly pushing upwards to achieve that bushy brows. And then mag-eyeliner na ako. This one is from LA Girl Intense Auto Liner. And for a more morena skin, I use a bit of beige powder from BENIFIT. Instead of using bronzer, I decided to go for a brownish blush from MORPHE palette Full Pro. And I will apply a pinkish blush on the temples of the cheeks. And since it's shimmer blush, I don't need to use highlighter na. For a more dramatic eyes, I decided to use BOHKTOH lashes in 3D07, And I'm using NIPPON Lash glue. This is my favorite glue kasi super makapit siya. And for lipstick, I picked Nudist shade from L'Oreal Infallible Liquid Matte. And then, mag-contour na ako ng nose using a brown powder. And for final touches, mag-eyeliner na ako sa kanyang waterline. And using the same shade na ginamit ko kanina, I will blend it for a smoky effect. So this makeup look is almost done. Just so you know, I also add a lower lashes off cam, and I also did her hair knot to save time. And to complete the look, I'm applying a second layer of gloss to make it more fab, because I think a super glossy lip will complement the total look. And in case you forgot, I transformed this Miranda Beauty into a full glam supermodel.
Guys, so if you're new to this channel, make sure that you click the subscribe button below and itap mo na rin yung notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new video. And wag mo na rin kalimutan i-follow yung aking mga social media accounts. So thank you for watching, guys!